Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
Goat. Notebook is not breakfast. Who can say 2 plus 2? 4. Elephant. Only hand, not bench.
Present, teacher.
Okay, 1 minute fun time. Class, let's make learning exciting today. Whoosh! Kaboom! Good job, class. Learn well always.
Thank you, teacher.
Class, one important homework for everyone.
Yes, teacher.
If you like fun stories and learning, subscribe to our channel and press the bell.
Subscribe, teacher! Thank you.